In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a DECEL G sensor calibration on a 2014 INFINITI Q50 using the X-431 throttle. First select INFINITI. To confirm the software select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm van select OK. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select ABS. System info select OK. Select special function. Select DECEL G send calibration. System info select OK. To begin calibration select start. Once completed select OK. And that's how to perform a DECEL G sensor calibration on a 2014 INFINITI Q50.